Well, some disappointing news on the vaccine front.
Distribution is falling way short of expectations, and tonight President-elect Joe Biden is calling out President Trump.
Yeah, the latest numbers from the CDC show that more than 11.5 million doses of the vaccine have been distributed in the U.S., but only 2.1 million doses have been administered. KCAL 9 political reporter Tom Waite has the latest.
Tonight, the California Department of Health says they've been able to distribute 270,000 vaccines across the state. That's a good number, but remember, there are about 40 million people living in California. Pasadena firefighters coming off their shifts at Station 36 receiving COVID vaccinations. Glimmers of hope. But tonight it appears Operation Warp Speed is stuck in low gear. President Trump claimed the U.S. would deliver 20 million vaccinations by January 1st, but tonight only 2 million have. Critics, including the president-elect, are speaking up.
The Trump administration's plan to distribute vaccines is falling behind. I've directed my team to prepare a much more aggressive effort. A few weeks ago, the Trump administration suggested that 20 million Americans could be vaccinated by the end of December. With only a few days left in December, we've only vaccinated a few million so far. And the pace of the vaccination program is moving now, if it continues to move as it is now. It's going to take years, not months, to vaccinate the American people.
In response, President Trump tweeted, "It is up to the states to distribute the vaccines once brought to the designated areas by the federal government." But the states are struggling. Tonight, the California Department of Health told us they are administering the vaccines they have in hand quickly and safely. But with only 270,000 doses delivered so far here in the state, officials have their work cut out for them. And across the country, COVID fatigue has more than set in.
It started out there, everybody was kind of courteous.
In Florida, seniors waiting for the vaccine crowded outside a mobile clinic. One witness said tempers began to flare.
Everybody started moving forward because of some instructions from the police officer. Nobody understood what was going on, and now you have, it's almost like rats trying to abandon a ship, and it's kind of like a mob scene of senior citizens.
Besides his social media, President Trump remains silent and away from the cameras, spending another day on the golf course at his luxury resort in Florida as the coronavirus death toll crossed another grim milestone.
We've just crossed 330,000 deaths.
Also today, Vice President-elect Kamala Harris took her first dose of the Moderna coronavirus vaccine.
It is relatively painless. It happens really quickly. It is safe.
And back here in Southern California, some people with deep pockets hope they can jump ahead in line for a vaccine.
So we've had a lot of interest, a lot of people call, a lot of people want to get vaccinated.
Dr. David Nazarian is the medical director at the Beverly Hills practice My Concierge MD. Dr. Nazarian says he has rich and famous clients trying to work the system, and he's had to say no.
We've had patients that have offered to make large donations to hospital, to charities, they have offered to pay large sums of money for their families, individual, to be able to get vaccinated.
With the slower than expected distribution of the vaccine, it's not clear how that will impact the vaccinations for the general public here in Southern California. I'm Tom Waite, KCAL 9 News.